Hey guys, welcome back. So Pablo has dropped behind a film for Una. I'm not that familiar with what Una is or what that means, but I love the thumbnail. It's like almost 12 minutes long, so it's a literal short film, so I cannot wait to see it, what he does, because I want to look more deeper into his art as well, because I feel like I am looking the least into his music from all the band members, and I'm not sure why, because he's brilliant. So I'm gonna start with this one. It's the newest thing that he has dropped, and yeah, let's get right in video. Okay, because I have literally no idea what that.
Una, siguro kung isi-simplify natin, tungkol lang siya sa isang strange na person na naka-encounter pa rin ng kindness at kung paano siya nag-survive sa isang judgmental na mundo.
For me,
Okay.
yung gustong kong ipakita dito sa story nitong ginawa naming short film na Una is iba-iba naman tayo ng binibigay na image sa mga tao. May pagkakapare-parehas tayo pero may pagkakaiba tayo. Hindi maganda na magkaroon agad tayo ng judgment sa isang tao kasi it could really get ugly before it gets beautiful. So hopefully
I mean, yeah.
through this maipakita
I
na
love that
mas
he's
maganda
doing this.
kilalanin muna natin yung bawat isa bago tayo maghusga.
Yung kwento ng short film, nadja-judge si Pablo as the bad character, pero may good side dun sa character na yun. So gumawa ako ng kwento na yung feeling ko mapapaantig ng puso at damdamin ng mga viewers. So naglagay ako ng parang may family na kumukup sa kanya, tapos may community na kukuyog sa kanya since misjudge nga siya ng mga tao.
Okay. Where does he find time to do this? Like, what do you mean? Like,
Sa
he's already so
brainstorming
busy and he's filming a
pagkagawa
short
ko ng
film.
kwento, inupuan agad namin siya ni Pablo at ni Justin. Tapos, nag-brainstorm kami paano pa siya ma-improve. Kasi yun yung need ko personally para ma-improve
Okay.
yung kwento.
So, nung
So Justin's
nagsimula
also
kasi
involved.
mayroon ng story si Cyan based sa
Creative
gusto
consultant.
ni Pablo na message na iparating. So, nung sinusulat ko yung script, more of dinidetailed ko na lang siya and ginagawan ko ng flow yung buong storya. So, in terms of personality, naka-base siya sa kung
Also,
ano yung
I have
mangyayari sa
subtitles
story.
underneath, so. My God, he looks so miserable and sad.
Alam ni Pablo kung ano yung mensahe na gusto niyang ipalabas. So, acting as one of the main characters is much easier for him. Lalo, alam niya kung ano yung mensahe ng mga kanta, alam niya yung mensahe ng short film. Nakakatuwa lang na mapapakita niya dito yung emosyon na gusto niyang sabihin sa mga kanta na nilabas niya. Tapos, maganda rin na makita dito yung acting skills ni Pablo kasi
I mean, that's also
gusto
cool.
niya laging mangyari
We see
is very
him
natural.
acting.
Kung marumi yung character, mapapakita dito na marumi siya. So, ayun, feeling ko more on yung message na gusto niyang iparating may express niya dito sa buong short film.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Batangas para mag-shoot ng music video at ng short film for Alon and Tawon Alvin.
Okay.
Ito yung first day na aming shoot. Dito kami malapit sa dagat. Medyo hindi pa kami nag-start kasi nakasulan.
Okay ka na sa Coco Farm?
Okay na ako sa Coco. Pwede pagdumihan. Pagdumihan. Kasi diba, ang dami namin pinaprepare pero I'm really excited.
Hindi kasi nagkukulang.
Magano-gano.
Mas wide. Hindi ka nag-compare.
You shouldn't have cut your nails.
Sana hindi na maging grabe yung aberya na matatanggap namin yung art para ma-shoot namin maayos.
Dark.
Okay, rain.
Na-pressure din ako dito. 4 a.m. ko to ginawa. Kasi ang non-negotiable lang ni Pablo nung napag-usapan namin tong short film, gusto niya sa dagat.
Madalas ko kasi siya nakikita sa ibang movie na yung pag may nakikita na inaanon sa dagat. Gustong gusto ko rin siya kasi doon ako humugot talaga
ng strength sa pagganap ng sa karakter ko. Kasi inandod ako from somewhere and hindi ko alam kung saan ako galing.
If you know the film Perfume, it's a Hollywood film that I've taken inspirations with the set design po ng short film na ito.
I'm not
And
familiar, but the
planning
film
set
looks
design
really
for the short film, hard siya, of course.
moody,
It's because
and it's
we're shooting
fits,
in a
I think, the
location
mood
where
so well.
rural almost kasi hindi siya natatouch pa ng mostly of the signals kapag ka nandito ka sa location. So, ngayon lalo na inuulan kami, challenging siya kasi mahirap i-maintain yung design mo.
Very specific din yung gusto ni Pablo and ni Sai and din Justin as creative directors and consultant. Very specific yung location, specific yung ganito, ganyan.
I mean, it looks real. It
Kailangan mo
looks
maging creative kung paano mo ma-deliver.
not like a set,
And during
like
shoot,
it looks
ayun na
like
araw,
it's a
pero
real
talagang
life.
binagyo kami, sobrang lakas ng ulan, maputik, ganyan. So, may natitenggang shoot.
For now, we're doing everything na collaborative ang team and that's why yung pagiging mahirap na iniisip ko in setting up the short film, nagiging
I
mas
mean, you
madali siya
can't
because of
really
the team that we
predict
have.
the weather, which sucks if you film an outside actual location. I want to see the music video.
Nandiyan ka pala.
Oh, you're here.
Hello everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Odette. Tsaka si Gino. Ito nga pala si Gino. Ito yung best friend ko dito. Bale, siya rin yung siya si Tatang na lumaki. Tapos siya rin yung kauri. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Ayun,
I'm Gino. Kumiba ako.
I'm handsome for sure.
Kaya na ito na yung pangalan para makilala ka nila.
I'm Ali. You can call me Ali.
Siya yung best friend ko dito. Kauri ko siya.
Magre-red din yung eyes mo.
Oo, nagre-red din yun. Hindi sorry, nagre-red
Ay.
lang yan. Pero yun, nandito kami sa bahay ng lola niya, si Odette.
Yeah.
Tapos ginamot nila ako. Tapos nakita na nagpula yung mata ko. Excited ka naman sa kalalabasan mo?
Yeah.
I mean, that's exciting. This looks so good. Looks
Majority
so
90%
cinematic.
of the film is shot siya sa exterior. Siguro doon din namin nakita yung commitment ni Pablo na gawin siya kahit mahirap, kahit na physically demanding siya and may mabigat siyang wardrobe, tas at the same time, pinapalakad namin siya sa buhangin, sa water, all types of elements ng nature na challenging. Pero at the same time, we were able to pull through kasi nga yung dedication din niya as an artist nandun.
Natuklap lang, pero wala lang. Tsaka ito, okay lang.
I mean, I guess if you're acting like it's reality, you will get hurt, I guess.
Game, 3, 2, 1, go!
Especially if you're falling like on wooden planks, like that's painful. You can get all splinters and everything. Justin, that was nice.
Okay, ganda yun.
It's like diving into the mind of a true artist. Maraming tumatakbo sa isip niya. Maraming facets din yung personality niya. So it's nice to feel welcome in that world. Yung nakapasok kami doon sa mundo na
Yeah, to see
na-imagine
his
niya
imagination
as
come to
creative.
reality.
Alam niya rin yung gusto niya. Alam niya rin kung saan pupunta. Pero as an actor sa set, very game na game siya. Na kung gaano siya ka total performer during live performances, sa pagkanta, ganun din siya na parang hindi niyo pa hinihingi, binibigay niya na masaya lang, masaya siya katrabaho.
I mean, that's his vision, that he wants to give all of him.
Pa-update Ngayon, gabi na. Alas 9 sakto. Tama-tama yung hula ni Pablo. Ngayon, nandito kami sa pagkainan. Kasi ito yung scene na matatagpuan ako ng lolo ni Gino. Kumakain kami hapagkainan.
Okay.
Pero, hindi naman niya ako ginudge. Ginudge niya pala ako, pero
The way
pinagilan
it
lang
is.
siya ni Nanay Odette para hindi ako paalisin sa bahay. Pero yun, nakakatuwa lang kasi naalala ko pa, nung ganto rin yung setup namin, nung
Oh.
bata pa ako.
And he was a
Nung
child was
elementary
similar
ako,
to this.
may puno kami ng mangga, napakataas. Tapos,
Tall mango trees.
ano siya,
Like
ganito rin,
that's so
ganito rin, as in,
insane to
kawayan
me.
din gawa.
What
May
do you
nakapaligid
mean,
na
mango
kawayan
trees?
sa puno. Tapos doon kami kumakain. Wala lang, sobrang
I
nostalgic.
haven't
Kasi
seen a mango
yung
tree in real
pinagsasaingan
life,
nila
I don't
pala
think.
Yung mga 2005, 2004. Tagal na. 20 years old na kasi ako eh. Ay, hindi pala.
Kidding.
Ilan taon na mas pa ako. Pero, grabe. Nostalgic pang sina ka.
Nostalgic.
Sarap na tulingan! Sarap ng tulingan. Kayo po nagluluto niyan?
They just bought it.
Binili. Sarap.
Yeah, and I love how it's been color graded.
Seeing Sir Pablo as someone na kaya niya, i-adjust niya yung everything, sasabihin niya yung nararamdaman niya. Sobrang collaborative. So, ang daling makipag-work with Sir Pablo, it's because nasasabi niya rin yung gusto niya, and at the same time, ang laki at nararamdaman mo yung tiwala niya, ibinibigay niya sa'yo.
Okay. So it goes both ways. I mean, that's how it works, I guess.
True enough talagang bibigay niya talaga sa'yo lahat for the sake na ikakaganda ng material. And hindi lang siguro sa performance niya, pero on how he deals with everyone around the set. Wala siyang pinipiling tao din, lahat
I mean,
kinakausap
he's a
niya,
leader.
i-reach
That's
out
why
siya
he
to
is a leader.
everyone.
He
Kaya
takes
yung
care of
creative
everyone.
atmosphere talaga na set siya na nagkaroon kami ng freedom to be creative and magbato ng mga suggestions namin. Ang laking dahilan nun is dahil pinafeel niya sa amin lahat dito na welcome kami.
Actually, ito, first time kong maka-experience ng ganito na
Oh,
gaganap
really?
ng mga karakter. And syempre, kakaiba rin na hindi familiar na tao yung mga kasama ko. Talagang mga tunay na aktor. Iba, bata, matanda, may mga tao na hindi mo akalain na nag-act. Pero kasama ko sila lahat na experience ko. Sobrang nakaka-amaze lang kasi hindi naman ako naka-experience before na talagang yung mga ganong tipo na magbabagong anyo yung mga kasama mo para ganapan yung mga karakter na gaganap.
Yeah, they become different
Isang
human beings.
gusto kong ipakita sa mga tao yun, parang as I acted, I feel like nagaganap na yung or natutupad na yung mga
Oh, that's so
visualize na
nice.
binuo namin. Medyo mahirap magkwento pero nadala naman namin sa tulong ng
I know, it
bawat
feels
isa.
quite easy for
Well,
him,
para
like the
maraming salamat.
storytelling. He's doing it all the time with songs and everything, so. Oh, he looks beaten up, like he looks miserable. Very convincing acting, I must say. Wow, Pablo. I wanna know what the music video is. Is the Boy Who Cried Wolf official music video? Is that for the song? Let me know in the comments down below because I want to see it. You guys, this was absolutely spectacular. This was so good. This was so well made. I haven't seen the finished product, but what I have seen, these scenes, they look so well produced, such a high quality. And as everyone involved in the team said, like, it's easy to work with him and like he understands what he wants from him and he gives all of him. But I think that's quite self-explanatory if that's his work of art on his imagination. Like, he will give 110% of him because he knows exactly what he wants, and because it's his kind of baby, he wants to be the best as he can be. And also by working with other people and giving the freedom and suggestions, that's also really good of his side, because like if you have more opinions, like good opinions, not just entitled opinions, it can make the piece that you're working on even better, because more heads, more minds working towards the same goal can elevate your vision even more. And it's good that he's allowing people to maybe change some things about what he maybe thought, to improve it, not to change it completely, but like to elevate it, to make it even better than maybe he thought. Because it's good to share your opinions and your ideas and to work for a better piece of art by the end of it. And yeah, I mean, I love the visual, as I said. I love how deeply he went into it. He looked absolutely miserable in there, which shows how dedicated he was to that. Full on dirty and just cold, probably, and all the scabs and everything on his face and mud and all that. It just looked so convincing, and I love that this was like a real place. It didn't look like a set, like it looked real. It didn't look made up, and I think that always helps the locations and like the environment mood to be so much better. And I love the light, I love the color grading that they have done on the video. I love that the Justin was also involved, and Pablo is pulling him on different sides as well in this creation. As in for Pablo to act for the first time in a character, it was really convincing in my opinion. He did such a good job, and now I want to see The Boy Who Cried Wolf official music video because I want to hear the song. What is this song looks like with the visual, and if there is an actual movie for this, like the short movie where we can see it. So if you have all of these answers, let me know in the comments down below. Really appreciate that. And if you want to see the music video reaction with me on the channel, so yeah, and that, leave all your thoughts, all your knowledge that you already know about this in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.